Hi, my name is Chike. Welcome to my channel. I can imagine you trying to create an email account on Gmail and you were asked to verify your phone number. And probably you've used that phone number for another account before and you're unable to verify. And Google says this number has been used many times, or you're unable to get an SMS delivered to your phone to verify. And you're even trying to make a phone call, use the phone call option, and you are unable to get it. Let's quickly show you what we're talking about. You go to, let's say you want to create an email account, and you are on Google. And you go and type out www.gmail.com and you click on the create account button and select the option of myself and you fill all the details. I'm going to quickly fill this and I'm going to say test email for your tooth. So I'm going to say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and I'll click on next. Okay, I'll just go ahead and say, pass 1 2 3 4 5 at. I'm going to say pass 1 2 3 4 5 at. And so I'm just going to go ahead and click on next. Now it will bring you to this point. This is where the problem is. You're trying to verify your account and you have just one phone number. And I'll go ahead and type mine. And you try to click on next. Google says this phone number has been used too many times, or you've not used the phone number before. You're trying to get an SMS and your SMS is not getting delivered. That can be frustrating. Do not worry, there's an easy way to bypass this. All you need to do is to go over to your phone and I'll show you the trick. Okay, just follow me right now. I'm going to switch over to my phone and show you how easy it is to do that. Follow me. Okay, now you would have discovered that you've been unable to go beyond the phone verification when trying to register on your desktop. And what you need to do is just go over to your mobile phone. I'm using an Android device. And you weren't able to get this verification because probably you have used the phone number on an account before, or you have you couldn't get an SMS to verify this thing. And straight away locate the Gmail icon on your device, and you locate the profile picture icon, and you see a list of your email. Now you want to create a new one. All you need to do is to click on add another account. Now these options will come out. You set up email, you see Google, Outlook, Yahoo, others. Just go ahead and click on Google. Now this is going to take you to the Google page, and at this point you are not trying to log in a new account, you're trying to create a new account. All you need to do is to click on the create account down the bottom of the screen, the phone screen. I'll just go ahead and do that. It's going to ask me, do you want to create for yourself or you want to use it to manage a business? I'm going to create for myself. And so it's going to ask for my name. I'm going to put my name Chike. I'm going to put the surname as Okoli. So I'm going to click on next. Now this is very important. Go ahead and put your date of birth. Now listen, you would need to put your date of birth to something around 15 below 18 years old. The reason is this: if your age is beyond 18, next time when you log in you might be asked to verify, and you can use different form of verifications to do that. But the most important thing is, let's go ahead and register. I'm going to put an age. I'm going to put 26th January. Then I'm just going to add 2004. So I'm going to click on mail. I'll now go next. And so it's going to give me options of email. The first one is chikeokoli00@gmail.com. The second one is okolic526@gmail.com. I'm just going to say create your own Gmail, and it's going to ask you to add your name. So I will say test email for Toots. I'm just gonna, you go ahead and type the name you want to use, and I'll click on next. Okay, so this name has been taken. I'll just add 123 to it, and here we are. It's going to ask you to create a password, so I'll just put pass 123 at. Put a password you can remember. Make sure you don't give your password to anybody. So I'm going to go ahead and add a pass 123 at. I'll click on next. And now we say review your account. This is my name, this is the information, this is the email I've created, and all I'm just going to do is to click on next, and it's going to bring you to the terms and condition page. You just scroll to the bottom of the screen and click on I agree. Make sure you read it, don't just scroll like me. All right, go ahead and click on you agree, and so it's going to go ahead and it's trying to create the account now, and it's going to take a little while. Just be patient. And so it's very important to understand that this is purely for educational purpose. You're expected to actually verify your email address, but this is just for educational purpose. And sometimes you just don't have another phone number and you just want to go ahead and do. And here we are. It brought us back to this screen, and this is the email we created. And it's okay. So that's just how to set up an email, and that's how to set up an email, a Gmail account without a phone number. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to see. And don't forget to leave a comment. If you have any video, any tutorial you want me to work on, go ahead and leave a comment, and I'll review it and I'll create that tutorial for you. See you next time. Thank you.